practice along with this before recording so that's super solid, and then follow the recording instructions. So this is a tutorial on Cripple Creek. And this is a slightly different version than the previous tutorial I made. We're going to simplify the beginning rhythm a little bit. So listen to the whole thing first. Go quite as fast, but just for demonstration. Okay, so we're going to start with high D. So bass players, you're going to shift all the way up to your fourth finger for this. All other instruments, high D. All right, here we go. Listen first. D, D, A. Try that. Ready, go. Good. Let's add an F sharp at the end. Listen first. D, D, A, F sharp. Ready, go. One more time, high D, go. Awesome job. Next part is G, B, A. Ready, set, and go. Try it again, G. One more time, G. Okay, let's try from the beginning. Listen first. D, D, A, F sharp, G, B, A, and high D, set, ready, go. Try it again, set, high D, and go. Awesome. Pause and practice if you need to. Next part sounds like this. Let's review our beginning section. D, D, A, F sharp, ready, go. Good, then our ending is one finger, E, D, D. Try it again, E, D, D. Okay, back it up to D, D, A, F sharp, E, D, D. Try it again, set, high D, ready, go. Okay, fabulous. So far we know all of this. So let's try that all together. Set, high D, get ready. 1, 2, ready, go. Fabulous job. Try it one more time. Set, high D. 1, 2, ready, play. Awesome. Let's go a little bit faster, and this is our last time. 1 and 2 and ready, go. Awesome. Now we're going to play it twice in a row. So take a repeat. Let's try it one more time, twice in a row. High D, ready, set, and here you go. Repeat. Again. Awesome job. Next part sounds like this. Go ahead and try that. F sharp is your first note. Echo me. F, F, E, D, ready, go. And F sharp, A, A. Okay, let's try those parts together. F, F, E, D, F, A, A. So try it again one more time. F sharp, ready, go. Awesome. Next part sounds like this. Okay, so we're going to be hopping down to low A and low B. So let's just try the beginning half first. F, F, E, D. Good. And then our next part is low A, B, open D. So violin and viola players, that's going to be 1 finger G string, then 2 fingers. So 1, 2, open D. So try that, violin and viola players. 1 finger, 2 fingers, D. Try that, ready, go. One more time. 1, 2, open D, go. And cello players, that's going to be 1 finger, 3, open D. So low A, B, D. Try that, ready, go. And again, 1, 3, open D. Awesome. And bass players, you are going to play your open A string and then 1 finger B. So A, B, open D. Try that, ready, go. And again, open A, B, D. Okay, so now let's try from here. So F sharp, E, D, low, A, ready, set, here we go. Do it one more time. F sharp, ready, go. Okay, let's try from our second half of the song, which sounds like this. All of that, find F sharp. Get ready. F, F, E, D, ready, go. Awesome job. Let's try it. Try it twice in a row. 1, 2, F sharp, go. Let's try it from the very beginning all the way to the end. So remember, we're going to repeat each section 2 times. Okay, get that high D ready. Basses, you're going to shift all the way up to high D. Everybody else, you know where high D is. Here we go. Listen. 1 and 2 and ready, go. Feel free to pause and practice that if needed, and please review this video and practice along, and then you will be ready for your music video debut. Good luck.